How to remove one piece of a pelmet. I need to remove the side portion of a pelmet above a kitchen cupboard. The problem is that I cannot find how it is secured. It is fixed solidly. I cannot move it with moderate hand pressure. The picture from inside the cabinet shows no screws into this piece. A screw is visible into the front pelmet, which should to be left in place. The dark spot midway along the side is a hole. I can insert a small screwdriver blade about 30 mm into it. I have tried from above. After scraping off years of grime, I cannot see or feel any screw heads. Is it possible it is glued into place, or perhaps secured with dowels? Any hints or advice would be appreciated. My last resort is a big hammer, but I do not want to damage the cupboard or the front pelmet. The reason I want to remove the side piece is to box in the central heating boiler and hide the ugly filter and pipework above it. Question from user Peter Bill at Stack Exchange. Answer: the side moldings are likely just glued to the front piece at the mitered joints, and only the front piece might be attached to the cabinet. It doesn't need to bear much load. If so, it will be easier and will cause less damage to remove the entire assembly, even though you don't actually need to remove the front or right side. I would try unscrewing the screws on the underside of the top of the cabinet along the front edge, as these are probably what is holding the pelmet assembly on. Answer from user Stephen C. Steele at Stack Exchange.